Ever heard the saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice? Well, that's actually a myth. Lightning can and often does strike the same spot more than once. Here's the deal. Lightning follows the easiest path to the ground. It usually goes through tall, conductive objects like trees or buildings. Take the Empire State Building, for example. It gets hit by lightning around 20 to 25 times every year. Why so consistent? Because the air around it gets ionized during storms. That makes it even easier for the next bolt to follow the same path. So next time someone says lightning doesn't strike twice, just tell them it totally does, especially if you're taller than everything else around you.